What's up, guys? It's your favorite producer, Rondon, and today I'm going to show you how I make soulful type beats such as Peach & Morton, Anderson Paak, Scarbee, Thundercat. Let's get into it.
All right, let's get into it. So what I wanted to do was play something kind of intricate, kind of complex, but not too crazy. Some ghost notes on the snare, eighth notes on the hi-hat. You just kind of want to keep it in a pocket. You want it to be groovy, but at the same time, you don't want it to be too groovy because that might throw your artist off. So keep it in the pocket. All right, so now that we got our drums down, I'm gonna put down the bass line. It's gonna be just like the drums. We're gonna keep it in the pocket. You want it to be groovy though. Gotta be groovy, gotta be funky. That's the bass. This is what people get into that ooh, ooh, ah, ah. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna get into Rhodes. Rhodes for me is like almost like the cake of the song. Whatever you put on top is just icing on the cake. So this is the portion of the song where you really wanna lock in and feel the melodies. All right, so now we're gonna get into the icing on the cake, the piano. The piano is probably one of the most important parts of the song, right? You can't fool it. You can't quantize it. It's something that has to come from the soul. It's real feel. You know what I'm saying? Like you wouldn't quantize boom bap. So look at it from that perspective, right? You're gonna play those grace notes. Some is gonna be a little bit ahead. Some might be a little bit drag. It's piano. Feel it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.